Hey guys, this is Brian with Zone Protects. I'm the founder, owner, and CEO of this company. I just want to let you know a little bit about who we are, what we do, how we do it. First of all, let's start with picaridin. So picaridin is our active ingredient. It's derived from the black pepper plant, but it's not all natural. That stuff doesn't work. Stay away from it. It's a synthetic chemical, so I have to go through the EPA, which is a good thing because everything I say I've got to prove to them. This is picaridin right there. You can see it's clear. It's not oily or anything. Woo! And it's naturally unscented, so it just makes it a perfect insect repellent, 12-hour protection. So let's head out and let's just see a little bit about how it's made. So this is where it all starts. This is our Picaridin insect repellent batch making process. That we have all of the tanks and the pumps and everything that we need to make the world's best insect repellent right here in Decatur, Alabama. The important thing to remember about this is that we use 2 independent testing labs to test every batch that we make. That's right, 2. We're not required to do this, and I don't think any other company in the world does this, but we send off our samples before we bottle it and before we get it to you, so that we can ensure that we have that 20% picaridin, which is just right. We can dial it in perfectly. So like I said, we have the highest quality standards. Why? Because this stuff is going on your skin and on the skin of your loved ones. So we take it very important. So anyway, let's go on to the filling room and we'll look at that. So this is the next step of the process. This is where we bring in the vats of the Picaridin insect repellent. We hook it up to the process. We have semi-automatic bottle fillers, and then from there we have automatic labelers and batch coders. So all of this equipment, it's very efficient and it runs very well, very quickly. And we can produce, again, the world's best insect repellent to meet all the demand out there. And the last stage of our manufacturing involves the inventory and then the order fulfillment. So as you can see behind me, we've got all of our products on the shelf. We've got a lot of products. So if you go to our website, zoneprotects.com, you'll see, I think we have over 105 SKUs now, all kinds of different products. But the picaridin-based insect repellent is our flagship. So that's the one that we have the heart to help and protect people and what they care about. So you need to make sure that you go there and check all that out. But what we do is we bring all those products that are made, the finished goods, from the filling and labeling, and then we put them on the shelves here. And then you can also see some in the bags that we have already prepped for the orders, and that just makes things go a lot quicker, so that when we get the orders in for e-commerce, whatever platform we're selling it on, that we can get them out the door very quickly, because you need it in your hands. You need it to protect yourself for that 12 hours against mosquitoes, ticks, flies, fleas, chiggers, gnats, and no-see-ums. All right, guys, so that's the end of the tour. I hope you really enjoyed it. One thing about me is that I don't normally wear a lab coat. I just thought it would look pretty cool, but you know what? It's really hot down here in Alabama. So the one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind when you do go to the website is, some of our competitors, they also sell DEET. They also sell some of that all natural stuff. We all know DEET it's not good for you. It's derived from a hydrocarbon solvent. That's just not healthy for you. And then those all naturals, they can say whatever they want to, but they just don't work, guys. So picaridin is the only one. We've got all the data. We've proven it. It works. Everybody loves it. We bat 1,000 people who try it. So just go to our website. You don't need to spend any more money on Amazon. Go to our website, zoneprotects.com. And I tell you what, use GoZone10. GoZone10 will give you 10% and then free shipping. So we'll see you there.